This would be a good time for a snack. Well, excuse me. I think there's another one.
Bang.
Down.